Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really cool feature of the UGC, which is called the tile page. So basically, as part of a normal UGC campaign, you've probably seen it before, where we've got the form and then any of the entries that you've got down the bottom there. Now, if you want to be able to show this on a big screen, or if you want to be able to just post the content that's been received and approved on your website or somewhere like that, you can create these really beautiful tile pages as an example here. And it's already built into the system. So all you need to do is go into actions and click tile page, and that will generate this page for you. Again, it's just a simple HTML that you can display. And then that way your fans can see all the great UGC that is actually being created and uploaded. There is a lot of customization that you can do as well. So if I go into edit campaign, go into content wall design, I can do things like add the logo back in, add in some filters, add in the description, and then even carousel. So carousel is basically once, for example, that this page is full of content and you've got pages and pages worth, it'll automatically rifle through the content and automatically show different versions of it. So in that way, you don't have to manually click through. So if you want to have different content and different people's pieces, whether it's kind of photos or text appearing at random intervals, then our system will automatically do that as well. So I'm just going to make these really quick changes here. Click save. Now, if I refresh that, you can see here my logos come back in those filters. So again, if you wanted to be interactive and visit and be on a site, then I would turn those on. If you just wanted to appear on a screen, then I would turn those off as we had beforehand, just like that. So that's our feature. Hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thanks very much.